Hello and welcome everyone. Thank you for watching. Welcome to another episode of the Internet Things. In this video, we'll cover how to screenshot on Windows. Don't forget to hit the notification bell. Be sure to like and subscribe for help with spreading love to YouTube's algorithm. According to Windows logo key plus print screen or PRTSCN button captures an image of your entire screen and copies it to the clipboard in your computer's memory. It is a shortcut for print screen. You can then paste Ctrl+V the image into a document, email message, or other file. The Snipping Tool. Search Snipping Tool in the Windows search bar. Then, click on the scissors ink paper icon which shows up in the results. Select New to take a screenshot. The entire screen changes to gray including the open menu. The screenshot is automatically copied to your clipboard. A notification also appears once you're finished taking a screenshot. Select it for more editing options. After you capture a snip, select the Save Snip button. In the Save As box, type a file name, location, and type, and then select Save. Alright, that's it for now. Thanks so much for sitting down with us today. It's been great and I'm excited about where you're heading. Once again, thanks for watching. If you have a business and would like to get connected, reach out to me today. See you on the next episode. Cheers.